Unfortunately, the porcupine returned yesterday. He was way up a tree, so May didn't get at him. We managed to bring her inside, and I'm working on a stencil for the tattoo Andrea will do for me today. Got the stencil finished here, and Andrea is just working on a nice drawing of May. Got some dinner started, making homemade pasta. We're gonna have that with the lobster mushrooms we dehydrated from last summer's harvest. Got my stencil placed. This was tricky, but we got it on first time. We brought May inside and got started on it. This was painful, one of the most painful spots, but it turned out great. And now it's all done. So I'm working on shaping the pasta, and then that's when we found out that she got the porcupine. So she got about 12 quills in her nose there, her snout, but she was in good spirits. We got her to the vet, and none of them were in too deep. The vet had an easy time removing them once she was sedated. We got home, we had some nice dinner. It was really, really good. And then today May is feeling back to normal. Hopefully we don't see that porcupine again.